What's going on, everyone? Back again with another review. Today I'm taking a look at this Infiniview digital mirror and dual lens dash cam. So this is perfect for those who have a trailer or have a cube van where you don't really see the rear. This is gonna make that possible. So let's get right into it and hook this up and see what this can do. So putting all this together, it did take a few hours. One thing that I had to buy for the cube van, because most cube vans do not come with a mirror, and I had to go buy a mirror, put it on, then hook this up. The only thing I wish this had was a way to mount it without a mirror. It would have been perfect. Both cameras come with 1080p, which is great. With a 9.6-inch screen, you don't see like any pixelation or anything like that, which is great, and it just looks good, and it eliminates those blind spots, especially on a cube van, because there's no mirror in the middle. When you're changing lanes, this just makes things way easier. It's just like having a rear mirror. The touch screen works very well, very responsive, no complaints there. Aside from needing to buy a mirror to hook this up, there was no other issues. The quality is good. It does have loop recording. You can set it for 1 minute length, 2 minute length, which is good. Everything works great. Also, it has a G sensor as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. If not, thumbs down. Leave a comment. I'll try my best to answer it. Go ahead and subscribe for more reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time.